What's up, people? It's YSHQ back with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at the SJ7000 action camera. It comes with a lot of accessories. The video is divided into three parts: the accessories, the camera review, and the setup guide. The camera comes with a lot of accessories. These are all of them placed. Let's take a look at them. Let's start with the camera first. Okay, so the camera is housed in a waterproof compartment. We'll take a look at it later. The first thing we take a look at is the J-type belt buckle. J-type buckle. It is mounted onto the helmet base. This one. This is the helmet base. It is backed with a 3M tape. Oh, it fell. No probs. I got another one. They come in pairs. The previous one had a screw onto it. This one does not. The buckle just clips onto it. It takes a bit of force, but it gets onto it. Ah, got fixed. See, it's sturdy. The camera mounts onto it. It has the other thing is a switch support. It also comes with a screw. There are multiple screws provided. This screws right into the nut. This is another one, the smaller version of it. About three to four of them are provided. This is the clip mount. This is the fixed base and the adapter. The adapter is housed with a 1/4 inch screw, and it can be mounted onto the fixed base or the helmet mount shown before, like so. See, it's tight. The next thing is the belt buckle. It can the camera can be mounted onto a belt. This here is a smaller version of the J-type mount. This is a standard one. This too can be used if the camera is to be mounted horizontally. Here's another switch. See, other three. Okay, so let's take a look at the bicycle stand. It can be mounted onto a bike too. It comes with two screws. If we unscrew these screws, it splits up. It is made up of five parts, two screws, one base, one top, and the rubber backing. The screws are shorter than the ones provided with the other components, so it helps differentiate them. This is the top section onto which the other mounts will mount, and the bottom, and the rubber. This rubber helps provide vibration absorption and also provides grip to the can. This is mounted as shown. The rubber sandwiched between both the layers and the screw is then screwed. It's better to fix both the screws loosely and then tighten them. These are a few zip ties provided. This is the wire rope. It is used to securely mount and it also acts as a fail safe. Okay, so it also comes with extra 3M sticky tape pads. This is the one which fell off. These are the bandages which can be used to mount the camera on objects on which we do not have the 3M backing, on which no mounts are attached. This clips on. It's tight. It will not let the cam fall. It too comes in pairs. Most of the things provided are come in pairs. The same bandages, but with Velcro straps. These two come in pairs. like so. See, the smaller brother. This one is used with the clip, the USB cable, which is used to charge the camera. It's long, it's good. See, the charger, it too comes with the camera. It's a 2-pin charger and has a USB port. The red light indicates that it's charging. The input and output voltages. It's a 5-volt adapter. Let's get ready for the part 2. Okay, so the camera. First, let's open up the waterproof case. The case is waterproof, not soundproof. It's a bit hard to open when you have small nails. The camera is fixed tight inside the waterproof case. It has all the buttons and everything. The build quality is also good. The back cover, it comes with a replacement just in case if anything happens. It can be clipped off and put on again. Let's take the camera. The first thing is the fisheye lens. The next, the power button. It has Wi-Fi. It can record at 30 FPS at 1080. The micro USB and the mini HDMI ports. Let's remove the SD card from the SD card slot. We inserted a 32 GB class 10 SanDisk card. Let's pop it back in. It has 2 indicators, one to show if it's recording and the other to show if it's on or not. The bottom, it has the battery. It's hard to get it out. I don't know why, but it's hard. It also comes with a 2-inch screen. Finally, about to get it out. Oh, it's out, yeah. So I don't know why I'm trying to do it. It's out. Oof. The battery is housed inside here. It comes with a paper tab, so it's easy to pull out. It's a lithium-ion battery. It's made in China, of course. It is a 3-pin connector. It's a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery, which has a current of 9 amp. Let's pop it back into the cam slot. If the camera focuses it. Oh, finally focuses it. Let's pop it back in. And let's pop the cover on. Oh, put it wrong. I wish that there had some other better mechanism. There is the belt buckle. It also comes with a 1/4-inch adapter. The camera can be popped in like so. The bandages can be attached across this adapter to mount it to any other surface. The adapter is built perfect to size. There's no slag, nothing. Okay, here I'm going to show the adapter mount. I remove the adapter and the screw. I'm going to take it and screw it into the adapter mount, into the female part of the adapter on the belt buckle. Like so, see? I know it's big, but can be mounted. That's it. Just clean out the area for the setup. Swoosh. This part shows how to set up the camera when you initially get it. The waterproof case and the camera. Let's take a look at the cam. Okay, so as I said before, the fisheye lens, the on-off button, the front microphone or the speaker, the on the OK button and the click button as well, the LED, the up and down buttons. Let's turn it on by pressing the power button once. So it turns on. By default, it turns on in the video mode. The upper part shows the time left, and all the other things can be seen: the date, the time, the frame rate, and all. These two buttons help turn on and off the Wi-Fi and all. One push on the upper button turns on the Wi-Fi. The SSID and password are shown. If you press up again, it turns it off. This can be connected to its camera app, which comes on Android. Pressing the OK button turns on the video, and as you can see, the top left part starts recording. By mistake, pressed it again. Zooming on in this is hard, but once you get used to it, you get the flow. See, zoom in and zoom out, the top and bottom buttons. I'll stop it now. Again, pressing the mode button once changes the mode. Now it's into the camera mode. It can take pictures at 12 megapixels. Pressing it again, it shows all the previous video clips and the photos taken through the camera. The up and down functions. Okay, so let's get it set up. There are 6 pages of setup. The first part, the resolution. Pressing OK opens up that setting. These are all the multiple resolutions that the cam can shoot on. To select it, just press the OK button again. The next, the TV out. If you want to just be direct on the TV on or off, I keep it off. The next, the on-screen display mode. This shows all the various things which is shown before. If you turn it off, nothing is shown on the screen. The next thing, the time-lapse record mode. This sets the time at which each picture is to be taken in a time-lapse. Ranges from 1 second to 1 minute. The capture mode. This too sets the timer from 3 seconds to 20 seconds. The cyclic record. This ensures that all your data is saved again and again. If you want to make small clips. The HDR, high dynamic resolution. I keep HDR on to get the maximum depth. The motion detection mode. This is a really good mode. If motion is detected, the camera automatically records the video. The audio. This mode is required if you want to take videos with audio. Let's keep it on. The date stamping. I usually keep this off. This stamps a date on all the time lapses and the video. Image size. This sets the resolution for the images taken through the camera in the camera mode from 12 megapixels to 1.3 megapixels. Let's keep it at the highest quality. This defines the quality of the video. Economy, it will use the least amount of space, but the quality will be poor. I keep it at the max. Sharpness, I usually leave it at normal. Strong and soft, depends on your wish. White balance, I too keep it at normal auto. Whereas all the various functions. The color, black and white, sepia. I leave it at color. ISO, I don't mess with it. 3 modes of ISO. Exposure, this helps when you are shooting in a low light or a high light or in a high light environment. Let's put it back at normal. The up and down keys on the side help me go through it. The anti-shaking, this is usually used on bikes. All the languages, Multiple languages. I don't know most of them. Just clear English. The date and time. This setting allows you to set the date and the time. And the camera. Let's go back. Auto power off. I don't mess with this. Beep sound. Every time you click, it makes sound. TV mode. NTSC or PAL. I never use it. Screensaver. This is useful to save the battery. I usually keep it at 30 seconds. Frequency. I don't know what it is, but sets the frequency of the cam most probably. Rotate. I do not want to rotate the screen, but if so, rotate helps flip the screen. I'll turn it off. The car mode. Never used it, so don't know about it. The Wi-Fi SSID. The by default Wi-Fi hotspot which this cam creates using top button. It can be changed to whatever name you like. I don't care about it, so I left it Sports GV, which comes by default, but can be changed using the mode and all the buttons. You can try it out yourself. It'll take a lot of time to change it. I don't think it's worth my time. So let's go back. This changes the Wi-Fi password. I do not want to mess with it, so I'll leave it the default one. The license, I don't know what it is. I don't want to try it, so I left it off. There you have it, people. Oh, forgot a few of them. The license on the last one. The delete. If you want to delete all the contents. No. I won't do it, but it just helps you. If you want to format the SD card, then you got to select the format one and it'll clear out the SD card. If you want to factory reset the camera, you just have to click on the OK and you'll be taken to the factory one. That's it. Oh, the version. This shows the version of the SD cam, the date it was produced and all. There's 6 on the last page. See the blue LED on the side? It shows the camera is on. Pressing the mode button again brings you back onto the video screen. There you have it, folks. Just if you want to turn off the camera, just press the power button, the mode button for 3 seconds and it turns off the cam. And it also shows the goodbye logo. I'll show it to you in a second. Let me turn it on first. Again, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I say goodbye. Tada. There we have it, people. Now let's put the cam back into its waterproof case. I'll try and open it. I recently cut my nails, so it was hard. Let's put it back in. Let's clip it on again. See, it has foam pads mounted inside on the cover, so it helps to sturdily hold the camera in place and reduce vibrations or any chittering noise. Just pop it off, close, it's done. The waterproof case is nice. It has all the buttons accessible. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Tada!